So today I'm going to show you how to put together this awesome juicer. It's I think they say Breville, and this is the best one you can buy on the market. Right now I've got it all taken apart. It's pretty simple. This is the first piece you're going to put on, and it sets right on like that. No big deal. Let me show you. You just set it right down. You can see there's like 3 little things there, and you can see the 3 little spots that they go in. So you can't really screw it up. Then you're going to take your blade and you're going to slide it right in there, and it just pops down in there just like that. And you can see it's kind of hard to pull out. Once you've done that, your next step is you're going to take this big chunky thing here and you're going to set it down like this, just like that. Okay, now this catches all the stuff, so that goes right under there like that. And then you're going to pull this up, and this locks it in. There's a spot there and a spot there. Watch, here we go. Bam, locked in, ready to go. Then we've got a little thing we're going to put our juice in. We just kind of slide it in there like that. And it's got a little top on it here, and it's pretty simple. You just got to get it in there like this, and bam, there you go, you're ready to go. Now what I would recommend is getting a little towel or a little piece of maybe a paper towel so you can catch any of the drips that come out of here. And so all you have to do is plug it in over here. You can see, just plug it in. Okay, now we're all plugged in, we're ready to go. And then you can see you can go low or you can go high, right? And so you decide which way you want to go. So if you go high, you're going to go down this way. If you're going to go low, you go that way, right? And that's your stop button, okay? So to go high, I just press it down, watch. To go low, I push it up. To stop it, I push that. Bam, done. Now we got a plunger that comes with it. It goes just like that. You can see the little spot here. So that's where your groove goes, okay? So we're gonna set that there, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make celery. We're gonna put some carrots, apple, and cucumber, and ginger in here.